What we are doing here and on other borders, Mirama Hills, Malaba, Busia, and currently Katuna is what you call the one-stop border post program of trade facilitation. One-stop border post is a process whereby officers are sitting under one roof. They're sitting in the same office and they're sitting on the same desk. Officers from Rwanda and officers from Uganda. Inter-country officers are seated together, clearing cargo jointly. They do joint inspection and they do joint clearance of all outgoing and incoming cargo. Now the advantage with that is that there is reduced clearance times at the border.